Charlie, how do you like your first time camping? You want more wood or no? Huh? Smile. Patchy. Who's out there? Who's that? Is that Mommy? Who's that? She's making a hot dog. Are you enjoying this from afar? Patchy prefers to stay in the pop-up and look at us from afar. The other two, they're more outdoor dogs. Isn't that right, buddy? Isn't that right? What do you see? Hey, babies. Camping in June is wonderful until you grab the bag of bread and the ink from the bag is all over your sweaty arm. Isn't that right? Hi. Hello, babies. Do eat your dinner? Go eat your dinner. Alright, it is time to make mountain pies. So to make a... What are you looking at? To make a mountain pie, you need a couple of things. You need a bowl or something to put it in temporarily. You need mozzarella cheese. You need pizza sauce. You need butter for the outsides of the bread. And then you need bread. So now you're going to take this part of the bread that has the butter on it, just like you would make a grilled cheese, and kind of put it on the outside of each of the circles, because those will be on the outside to toast it. Okay, so you smush the bread in there. Okay, now it's time for the pizza sauce and the cheese. Oh my god, that squirrel is so fat. I wonder if the camera will get it. That is a really, really fat squirrel. Oh my god, he's so fat. It's right there. Oh, he's so fat. Okay, now I need to shut the halves of the mountain pie. So you link them together. Like this. Oh dear, I hate this part. How do we do this to make it actually stay good? 1, 2, 3, flip. Got it. Okay, so after you close it, you need to fix this bar thing so it's around it, so it stays closed while it's in the fire. And then it's going to look something like this. So what we need to do now is scrape off the pieces of bread, because those will just burn in the fire anyway. And we usually just give them to the birds or throw them in the woods. There we go. Alright. Now it is time to cook our mountain pie. Alright, the most important part of putting it in the fire is that it needs to be in an area of coals. So like we had to have this fire going for what, like an hour and a half? Yeah. before it is even ready. So we ate a hot dog first, but this has to be really, really hot. And then you cook it for like 10 or so minutes on each side. So I'm just gonna put it down deep into the coals like that, and then I'll wait 10 minutes and then I'll flip it. Right, when you take it out of the fire, you want to put it on something that's not going to melt, because that's very, very hot because it was sitting in hot coals. So you need to unclip this part that kept it closed, and then you open it up, and it is beautiful. I'm gonna put this part right here because it's very hot. Then you have something that looks like that. Didn't even need that. Oh, it's very hot. Ouch. So it looks like this. It's basically just a grilled cheese. It's a hot pocket. It's a hot pocket that you make during camping. That's what it is. So it's just butter on the outside, bread, any pizza sauce you want, and cheese, but we use mozzarella. Make sure you always put it in the coals and make the fire burn a long time before you do it, or else it won't work right. How has your day been? Did you take a walkie? Yes, you did. You took a walkie. Yes, you did. It was so good. Where's the other one? Right there. Hi, baby. Alright, today we have just been relaxing at our campsite and reading because all of the trails are closed because there was a tornado here last week and there's a lot of like down branches and stuff. But now it's time to make the famous hamburgers and gravy. We also fought over who got to start this fire. Who won the fight?
We shared.
Did we share?
Mm-hmm.
Are you proud of it? Yes. Alright, so the ingredients for the burgers and gravy are burger patties. You just need one per person, or if you want more, that's fine. Heavy duty foil, pepper. We use hamburger mix. I thought this was Montreal. Oh well. Montreal steak, whatever works, whatever spice you like. And then we also put diced potatoes in there, and like mixed veggies, and some kind of gravy. Alright, so Lauren made the first pan for me because I have never actually made the pan by myself. So you're kind of making like a little tray for your hamburger, and then I'm going to basically take one hamburger patty and half of the potatoes, half of the vegetables, and half of the gravy, and put it in here with the spices. And I just gotta put it over the fire without burning your hand off. Spatula works well. Perfect. Now we wait. Guys, hi. Yum! This is the end result and it looks yummy. The game. I'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So I put that's mine. So I get to go again.
Oh.
So then I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's your turn.
Okay.
So you get to go again. Usually the marbles are smaller. It's gonna be an issue when I get full.
I've always seen it with beans.
So you get to go again.
Thinking. It takes a while.
Yeah, apparently.
So if I pick up there, I don't put it in your pile?
No, but you can put it in yours and make it around.
I see. Alright, well.
I'm just gonna go with this. They're usually smaller. Okay. Okay. In 18, 19, 20.
I won.
She won, but she won't win again. Also, look at all of the sleeping dogs over there. Well, Charlie's not sleeping anymore. You're all sleeping.
This thing is real nice.
What?
That really makes a difference.
That bat?
Yeah.
I totally won that. Good morning. Good morning, Jaden. What you doing? Alright, we are back from camping now, and it was actually the smoothest we've ever backed the trailer into our backyard on the gravel kind of like parking pad that my dad built us. Sorry, I'm just laughing at her because the dog's got baths. So he doesn't look like he's wet because he's short-haired. But look at this one. Oh, did you get a bath? Did you get a bath? Get in your bed. Get in your bed. Oof. So they got baths because we give them a bath every time we get back from camping. So they're nice and clean. Are you excited? Or are you mad? So they got baths, and then Charlie is actually over here because I went upstairs. You want to come out? You want to come out? There you go. Hope he's running. There he is. There he is. Alright, my hair is a little crazy just from air drying at the campground last night. I think this is going to end this video, but I want you to stay tuned for more adventures this summer. We are going to Ocean City, Maryland with the dogs for the first time. None of them have been to the beach before. This will be very exciting. Number 2, we are going to Gatlinburg, Tennessee in the Smoky Mountains, which none of us have done before, which is going to be really fun. So please stay tuned for our future adventures, and I'll see you next time. Say bye to the vlog. Say bye-bye. Bye.